We are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and I am joined by my tasters today because we get to taste some wonderful food. I have Chef Laurent Zarate. Thank you for being here.
Hello,
as always, it's lovely to see you. And my co-host, Tomas.
And we are again.
Yeah, I know. We are so lucky.
We are very lucky. Especially this season, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, we had a chance to travel the globe and go to Mexico City and Vietnam, which I'm sure all of you guys got to see in the segments.
And then, you know, I got to hang out with Sylvia from the 2K Bakery in Prosser. Prosser is so lucky to have her, because if you want something that is baked with love, go there.
Yeah, and you know, you can ask any Mexican person from the Valley, that's like our grandma.
Yes.
Like any Mexican grandmother, that is Sylvia.
That's your grandma,
That's it, man.
Oh, I know, and she just gives great hugs.
And food tastes always better with love, right?
So good.
It does.
It absolutely does.
Good.
So you have been developing some recipes for us. So what are we going to make today?
Well, today we are talking about pears. So we're going to make a nice little Asian style, I will say, pear and Napa cabbage salad. So very refreshing for the summer when you have your fresh pear. You know, we always talk about apples, you know, in Washington State, but pears are a big production too, and they're delicious in season.
And they go all over the world.
Yes, and so for that recipe, try to find a pear that is a little maybe unripe to get that crunchiness of it. And for a salad, it's always nicer.
All right, well, our team is going to make it for us, so I'm excited. I'm excited to try it. So let's see how this salad is made.
All right.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
I know, it
Beautiful.
is.
It's vibrant for the summer. It's great, refreshing. Can do a little appetizer with it, you know, a few grilled shrimp on top.
Oh, perfect. That's a great idea.
Let's see. I'm going to make sure I get some of that pear.
I know.
In my first bite.
Yep, me too. Pears are so good in salads.
The pear is what takes this from just a normal, ordinary salad that you might expect to balancing it with that dressing.
Yeah.
That has that nice little bite, but then the pear comes in and sweetens it and levels it all out, and it's so nice.
Yeah. Super light. I like it too. And I don't necessarily think of pears as being super light.
Right.
But it adds just a great flavor to it. So. Thank you, Laurent.
Oh,
good idea.
Yeah.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
So try it out, make it, let us know, you know, what you think of it on social media.
Yeah.
We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Recipes are on our website.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Give it a try. To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's Pear Napa Cabbage Salad, visit us at wagrown.com.